God, it's so hurt. My tyree.
Oh, no! Oh, no!
Steve yawns in front of his empty repair shop.
Why is this deserted? I wish I had a lot of money.
He imagines a long line of cars waiting for repairs.
Aha! I'll have customers. Perfect plan. Let's go.
This place is near my car repair shop.
He stops in the middle of a quiet road.
There is no one recently. I'm about to be rich.
Oh, no!
Hey, hello everyone!
Oh no, what is this?
Woo, woo, it's so great.
Oh, no!
What? My tire. Oh my God, so hurt.
Go, go, go. Who is over there?
Oh my God, what happened?
It hurts too. I can't move anymore. Oh no! Please help us. Is these anyone?
Help me! Help me!
Oh, what's going on? Help, our tires were broken.
Okay!
Okay, calm down. Let me help. Fighting. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Okay.
The tow truck loads the plank and drives to the repair shop.
Okay!
I will take you to replace new tires. Welcome to the Happy Car Repair Shop.
Okay!
Bye-bye. Such wheel is very dangerous. Yeah, amazing.
Okay!
The brand new wheels for you too, haha.
Okay!
Thank you so much.
Okay!
Thank you so much.
But Steve's greed is not gone
Too
yet.
smart.
He tries to set the plank again, but the tow truck is watching.
Not long ago, I'm the richest in the world.
Okay!
Oh my God, so bad. Please click the registration button to follow the ending. Hey, what are you doing? What? Who is over there?
Caught by the crane, Steve looks embarrassed and reverses, but runs over the plank he placed himself.
Oh my God.
He knows he was wrong and drives away.
Don't harm other to profit. Easy does it. Whoa! Perfect drop.
Oh no, it exploded.
It's broken.
Oh, no!
What's going on? Stop!
Oh, no!
Move over. Ouch! Out of the way. Can't stop.
Oh no, the cars fell into the hole after the explosion. This shows accidents can happen anytime, so always be careful.
Help! Somebody help us.
Luckily, the crane truck is here just in time.
I'm here. Hurry up.
Okay!
You first. Safe.
The crane lifts the monster truck out first. What a relief.
Pull harder.
Next, the big truck is rescued safely.
So heavy. Everyone okay?
Okay!
There's a big hole. Need a bridge team. Quick.
Hey, hello. Let's get started.
The construction team got the call and is rushing here.
This is the deck.
Side rails ready.
Let's go.
All vehicles arrive and rebuild the railway. Teamwork can solve any problem.
Here. Amazing.
Strong Lego blocks are stacked to build the pillars.
One done. All done. Solid now. Easy.
A wooden board is placed to form the bridge deck.
Ready to pour.
The cement truck pours cement. When accidents
Nice and
happen,
smooth.
stay calm and find solutions.
La 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 la.
Done. Side rails. Welded tight.
Finally, the rails are joined into a new track. Remember, safety always comes first.
Wonderful. All set. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.
The objects that easily cause fire don't leave indiscriminately.
Hello, I'm a cute little crocodile. Oh no, a crocodile! I would help you!
Much later.
Everything's quiet.
Hey! What? The truck fell into the hole like this!
Roger that. Accident spotted. Emergency alarm.
Meanwhile,
It's action time! Transform! Firefighter, ready to roll!
Transform! Messy again. Oh dear.
Transform.
Tow truck ready.
Transform.
I'll take care of everyone.
Transform! Please here, keep calm.
Help me!
Hey!
Yo, 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 yo!
Hey guys.
Come on! You can do it!
Tow truck, pull the truck up.
Got it. Pulling up now. I'm coming. Yeah!
Oh my gosh! Come on! Come on!
I got a bad feeling about this.
Amazing!
5 minutes later.
So messy, let me clean it up.
Okay.
I will help you get well.
Thank you.
Bye, have a great time. We must fix this road.
Hurry, call our friends.
Sand is ready.
Here we go!
1 hour later.
Okay already.
This road will be super smooth.
Okay, here goes.
Pouring cement, glug, glug, glug. Let me smooth the way.
Let's go! Go, go, go! Yo, 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 yo!
Goodbye.
Hello? Go, go, go. Ready to dig? All set.
Okay.
Watch out for the dust.
The crane digs deep, scooping soil into the truck's bed.
Continue. Amazing. Oh my god, what?
Uh-oh! Water sprays everywhere.
Oops, I hit a water pipe. Go, it's flooding.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Hello?
The truck dumps all the sand right in front of their barn.
This spot is perfect. Borrowing your grass.
Then it rolls back and starts collecting all the green grass.
Bye-bye. Let's cover this hole.
The truck drives away, taking the grass to fill the big hole.
La 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 la.
Oh no, what's going on? Help me, please.
Water sprays all over the rescue truck and the train.
Let's go. Go, go, go. Oh, what happened? Help me, please. Let me.
The tow truck extends its hook and lifts the rescue truck up. The rescue truck is safe. Now the train needs help.
Thank you. I need your help.
Hey, I come here. Oh no! Let me help.
A big trailer arrives with new water pipes and fresh railway tracks.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Wow! Wonderful.
Look, the old pipes vanish. New ones are secured tightly.
Okay.
Let's cover this hole.
Fresh sand fills the hole, and the rescue truck flattens it.
Let me...
Okay.
Wow, so nice. It's a beautiful.
New railway tracks are placed. The road is fixed. Hooray!
Remember to subscribe to the channel below. Don't dig your way in a place where you don't allow it.
A beautiful morning begins, and the dump truck rolls down the road.
Huh?
What is this? Hurry up. Remember to subscribe to the channel below. What to do next?
The dinosaur stomps closer, growling loudly.
It looks so scary. Quick, quick, quick.
The dinosaur breathes fire again. Oh no!
It's so hurt to get away from me. Get away from me. Oh no, what's going on? Help me, please. Okay, let me help you.
The tow truck quickly turns around to find help. Far away, a crane truck is busy loading sand.
Hurry up, hurry up! Help me! There is an accident. Follow me. Okay, go, go, go. Oh my God!
Help me! Okay!
Wow, amazing.
Oh no!
Help me.
Okay!
They pull and pull together.
Go, go,
Slowly,
go.
the truck starts to move.
Fighting, fighting.
Yes, the truck is finally free from the swamp.
Oh my God, we made it. Hey, thank you so much. We need to fill the hole. Let me help.
The dump truck pours sand to build a new road.
Okay!
The crane flattens the ground, making it strong and safe.
Amazing. Wonderful!
Look at that smooth and sturdy new path.
Don't poke wild animals. Very dangerous. Okay, okay.
Together they drive away, ending their adventurous day.
Let's find some treasure.
He stops near a sand dune. What's he looking for? He grabs his shovel and starts digging in the sand.
The treasure is mine.
Look, a broken X-shaped pipe is under the sand.
Okay.
Tiny water drops are spraying out. Uh-oh!
The pipe's broken. This is dangerous. Okay, I will come here.
He looks at the pipe and starts thinking, and brings back a bunch of dry leaves.
What?
He covers the broken pipe with the leaves. and puts up a warning sign. Smart move. The next day, a big container truck drives in. Oh no! It drives right over the leaf-covered pipe.
Oh my God.
La 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 la.
Boom! The roller hits the pipe. Water shoots up.
Oh my God, help me please.
Help me!
Oh no, I will help you. There is an accident over there.
Okay!
I come right now. Go, go, go.
The police car speeds in and screeches to a stop.
Oh my God, what happened? I need your help. We come here.
Hello?
Look! Rescue trucks are arriving with new pipes.
Pull him up.
Okay.
The crane lifts the roller up. Great teamwork.
Thank you so much.
Fix the water pipe.
The crane pulls the broken X pipe out carefully.
Okay.
Let me. Put new water pipes. Certainly and safer. Continue. Wow, completely new. Fill the tube to be safer.
Okay.
Sand here.
The sand truck pours the sand and the roller smooths the road.
Next is me.
Okay.
Ta-da! A brand new road appears and all the vehicles are so happy.
Fix it the right way. Roads stay safe.